Hey guys, welcome in. It's MonkieMar. Before we get into this video, please make sure you click the like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications. Welcome in. We are going to go off the beaten path with this video, but I am going to touch on it tonight in the live. But this is regarding Jayland Walker. He was the one that was shot by police in Akron, Ohio, and killed. Autopsy photos reveal more than 60 markers on Jayland Walker's body. More than 70 photos of a bullet fragment. I am going to touch on this article, and I saw an interview with his lawyer, and I thought his lawyer was absolutely amazing. I started digging into just Jayland's past out of curiosity to see what he was about, and they have released the police body cam footage. So with that, guys, let's get into it. This was out of Akron, Ohio. Preliminary medical examiner records reveal disturbing images from Jayland Walker's autopsy, including more than 60 markers indicating defects on Walker's body that may be gunshot wounds from bullets fired by the Akron police officers. I mean, that might be a little extensive. Officers shot and killed Walker overnight Monday after a chase stemming from an attempted stop for a traffic equipment violation, police said previously. Today was the first time News 5 was given access to view autopsy records after we made requests earlier this week. Per the Summit County Medical Examiner Office, State Law ORC 313110 indicates that journalists may view medical examiner documents but may not copy those documents. News 5 investigator Tara Morgan viewed what's called an investigative worksheet and photographs of the scene and autopsy at the Summit County's medical examiner's office. Okay, straight off the bat, I do not understand why it took that many cops and that many bullets. We're going to watch the body cam footage tonight in the live, but I just can't make sense of any of it. Senseless. I can't make sense of it. I don't get it. And here's another cop shooting. Autopsy photos showed more than 60 markers indicating defects on Walker's body that looked to be gunshot wounds. The documents showed there were multiple gunshot wounds to Walker's face, abdomen, and upper legs. Closer examination of the thumbnail-sized photos appears to show Walker took a bullet under his left eye and below his chin. I had not read this article yet, but yeah, unbelievable, like in the face. Closer examination, News 5 also counted dozens of pictures of bullet fragments. The records revealed Walker was found on his back on the pavement in handcuffs. Tell me you can't make this up. It's like a cop, 60 bullets, and he was in handcuffs. Police shot and killed Walker in a parking lot less than 100 feet from the road. His car hit the church across the street. Medical examiner records show a gun was found inside the car. Now, that's a problem. But the fact that he was without the gun when he was, I just don't understand why it took such excessive force. Bothersome. There's too many of these going around and happening. I wondered how it got there without hitting trees and getting right into the spot, and I just assumed someone was in it when it hit the church, said Pastor Rich Ferris of Firestone Park, a Christian church. Police say Walker jumped out of his car and ran as it slowed down during a chase that started after midnight on Monday, when two officers tried to pull Walker over for traffic and equipment violations north of downtown Akron. BCI, which is leading the investigation, returned to the scene where police shot Walker Friday. Very sad. I just don't understand why it took so much and so many. So I have to ask, he was in handcuffs when they found him deceased. So he jumped out of his car when it was running. The police must have caught him and handcuffed him. Then he ran away from the police handcuffed and he was shot. in the face and 60 times, 40 times, I mean, an excessive amount? Or did he have handcuffs on while he was driving in the car? Tell me that is not just completely effed up. None of this makes sense. Horrible, unnecessary. You know, you would think that out of all of those cops, that one of them would have been like, hey, you know, what are we doing here? But nope. Police said actions by Walker were perceived as a deadly threat, but have not said what those actions were. A BCI investigator appeared to walk a grid at times with a metal detector and placed markers. The deadline is fast approaching for police to release a body camera video, which was released today. We're going to go over it in tonight's live. The Akron Police Chief met with Walker's family Thursday afternoon. Akron Police in the city will hold a news conference Sunday when the public will be able to see the body camera footage. So the footage is out. We will go ahead and check out the interviews and all of that in the live, but it's just, to me, I just can't wrap my head around this. Too much force, and I don't know. I want to hear what your thoughts are, guys, and like I said, we will talk about it in the live, but I wanted to get this video out. And with that, guys, I think it's a wrap. And everyone, have a great rest of your day. Stay vigilant and keep your baby safe. I am out.